All right. What is up, guys? Today we're going to be doing our first ever rebuild here on the channel. Um, Starting off with the first ever rebuild, it's pretty obvious we need to do the worst team in the NFL, and that is the Tennessee Titans. Tennessee Titans got the first overall pick, and we are starting them at the divisional round and start today. So we will have the first overall pick in the NFL draft. We're going to make our own coach, be a team builder. Zach. W. In my personal game play when it comes to Madden, I'm more of a run it down the middle or throw it over the middle type of player. I hit the outside decent a bit, but I'm more of a throw it over the middle, short or deep. And when I throw it, medium round, I normally hit them about 10-15 yards on the outside. So that's normally what I do. So I'm going to go Detroit offense and real bad on defense. But we're going to go New England defense. What am I going to fucking be rocking out here? Puffer jacket. Yeah. Tennessee gets cold. We got to rock that puffer. What face scan are we going to go with? It's this one. That's definitely the one. Let's see here. Look at that guy. He is fucking ready to go. Mess with the settings a little bit. Go all Madden. 8-minute quarters. We're going to keep injury on, but turn off the existing injuries. All this stays the same. Basically, we're going to start in this rebuild is we're going to start here at the off season. So that's where we're just going to sim to. We're just going to sim to the off season, find out who won the Super Bowl. And go from there, really. All right. Go one more week to re-sign players. And we're just going to keep it auto-generated. A lot of these draft classes, at least here on Xbox, are not very good. I have not been able to find one. If you guys know of a draft class that is good, then leave it down in the description, leave the username. We're gonna go 3 years. Try and cut back on that bonus a little bit. I do like Jack Evans. Jack Evans is really good for me, at least in other rebuilds in the outside linebacker position. He does not want to come back. I don't blame him. The Titans were bad. Who do we have at right guard? Nobody? So I guess I'll give Dylan a 2-year deal if he wants to come back. I don't want any of those guys. Nobody else coming back. Not worth signing. They're all hitting the that age in the game where they'll just start regressing from there. So There's no point in spending any more money than we have to. Let's take a look at this roster. You know, we got Calvin Ridley. He's aging. He's 30. This is probably the last year I'm willing to keep him on the roster. Check out contracts real quick. 3 years left. I don't think I can trade him off anywhere, like, realistically. He's probably going to play one more season for us and probably going to cut him depending on what our roster looks like going into next year. Got Tony Pollard, Will Levis, Trevor Siemian. Let me generate the best lineup real quick. Team's not very good. They got a couple building blocks, but they're getting up there in age. Let's see here. When we do have the first overall pick, I'm probably going to go QB depending on what the class looks like. I mean, Jeffrey Simmons, 28, 28, 28, 30, 24 Tajay Spear. Latham's pretty good. Harold Landry, I mean, I'm probably going to have to trade him. They have a lot of bad contracts on here. I mean, they are two of their top players, but in real life, Harold Landry, I mean, Harold Landry, L'Jarius Sneed, and just Jeffrey Simmons, I mean, they're all 28. I mean, they're probably going to play until they're get big contract until they're about 34, depending on how they keep up their game. So, I mean, in real life, that makes sense. But here in Madden, I mean, once you hit 28, it's all down here, even 27. And everybody on this team is kind of close to that, you know, that age. So let's get in here and let's see if we can make a trade and get some draft capital in return, start building this team up from scratch, really. Trading a lot of players. Titans fans are not going to be happy. And, you know, what we get, really. Oh, it's done. So we got Jeffrey Simmons in a third going to the Eagles for 3 first-round picks. I mean, that seems pretty fair. A little bit of a realistic-ish trade. I mean, in real life, Titans are not trading with Jeffrey Simmons, obviously. But, you know, we got to do what we got to do. All right, we got him for a first-round pick this year. Not the best haul for him. I probably should have done a bunch of, like, seconds or thirds. Let's see. Let's package it both together and just see what offers we get. I really don't use this a whole lot, but I mean, Bucky Irving's pretty good. You get Jalen Thompson, third. Drew Phillips, refill that corner position with a young player. I think I might do that. Or I might take Braden Fisk, help with that defensive line. Thinking I'd take Braden. I mean, that's just not realistic. George Pickens, that's not realistic at all. And the Rams don't really need that. The Lions will take this. I mean, they need a halfback. Their halfback situation did not work out this year. They get a corner to upgrade over Drew Phillips, help them out this year, and I get Drew Phillips in more of a rebuild aspect. Let's see, a Harold Landry. Keep Calvin Ridley for one more year. Everybody else besides Harold Landry. Let's do this again. Luke McCaffrey. Rock with Luke this year. Just to get off Harold's nasty contract to Madden sense. Alright, let's go sign him right in. Fill that position. We're not a huge free agency destination, at least right now. Wait, can we get Charles on this? Bring this down to 3.5, this down to a 4. He probably signs this. He probably signs this. He does. All right. I mean, other than wide receiver, we got, and like obviously defense. Not really a whole lot else we need to build off of. Offensive line for sure. That's going to be right tackle. Definite big need. I mean, I'm not rocking with good old Nicholas out there. He's strong, but I mean, how tall is Nicholas? 6'5". I mean, he is a little tall. Short for a tackle. I mean, he could be playing offensive guard for us, but don't really need to. We need to go out and get a free safety. I mean, let's see here. There we go. Get maybe one more corner and definitely free safety, and then be done with this free agency. I mean, we're tanking next year, obviously. I just don't want to. I just see if there's a young free safety in here that's worth stacking up for a year or two. Jordan Fuller. I'm pretty sure he was a Titan at one point, unless I'm thinking of him on a different team. But getting Jordan Fuller on 2 years, you know, $2 million bonus. If there's no other contracts for him right now. I mean, there is the Bills. All right, let's indulge in ourselves a little bit. A little bit of an overpay, but it's needed. Let's see if we can do the same thing with corner. Christian Fulton. Jadavion Sullivan, not very good, but filled that role as the fifth corner on our team for 2 years. Not bad. Yeah, we're the only team looking at him. Definitely got to get a kicker. Joey Slay, sure. You got all the power in the world. Let's give you a $7 million contract, because why not? Hunter, same deal. Ryan Stonehouse, come back, buddy. Need you here. Need you here in Nashville. Probably get these players, so let's just send them to the draft. Alright, let's start draft. The first overall pick, and then we got 32, 31. Do we take a pick here, or do we trade down and get more picks? I mean, Paul McDaniel. Top 5. Didn't participate in the combine. A awareness, A deep, A medium, B short. This guy looks like a killer. Who's up to draft after us? The Browns, New York, Patriots, Jaguars. Okay, let's make our pick. I mean, those are all kind of QB needy teams except for the Patriots. Let's see what he was ranked. That's a handsome fella right there. Number 1, I knew it. 97 throw power. Jeez. 76, not bad. Can get out of the pocket a little bit, but he's not, definitely not a scrambling QB. 6'6", 226. And this looks like QB of the future right here. Let's get down to our pick. Oh yeah, next 2 picks after us were QB. Let's see if there's a right tackle in here we need. Rounds 2 to 3. I mean, not very hopeful. Cameron McBride. Terrible zone coverage. I mean, he had, except for the speed, I mean, he had a good combine. That was a slow 40. He's strong, good jumping. I'm gonna take him. Can't be worse than what we have here. 69. Nice. Hidden Dev, that's good. Hidden Dev is good. Star better, I mean, that's what we're looking for. And our next pick, it is so scary drafting offensive linemen in this game. His power blocker probably leans more to run blocking, which is what we need. Yeah, run blocking. I'm gonna take him. 27, nice. And Hidden Dev. Let's see. Let's draft a wide out. Fell out of the first round. Elite acceleration, good agility, great change of direction, good speed. And this could be a 3. Third string slot receiver. Normal dev, 91 speed, 92 change of direction. This be a return man. Didn't really think I was drafting one of those in the second round, but looks like a return guy. Draft a backup halfback. AJ Williams, I mean, he looks good. Eighth ranked, 97th. Speed, not really there, but he's definitely a power back. Dang. We're just gonna let the team take care of the rest. Oh, well, maybe make one more pick here. Kind of where he was expected to go. I mean, good speed, good everything really on this portion that we're seeing out of him right now, but normal dev's not very good. But let's get to the end of the draft and see what we got away with. Nice, dude. 82 overall QB. 72. Let's see what those other QBs are ranked at. I mean, 77 halfback, pretty good. I might start him over Tajay, but I don't know. Definitely going to move Jason over to right tackle. Overall should stay the same. Actually goes up, I think. I do not remember. I think it was a 72 to start, but see how everybody else did. Oh my god! The Giants miss again on a QB. That's crazy. That's crazy. Is he even hidden dev? No, he's normal dev. No way they start him this year. We're gonna have to take a look at that when we get over there into the regular season, but next best was a tight end. I mean, we're not really looking for tight end, but that's cool. Yeah, we got AJ Williams in the 4th round. That was definitely the steal of the draft right there. It's gotta be. I mean, 4th round pick 1, and he is the 8th overall prospect in the draft with hidden dev. I mean, dude could be a beast for us. Sim the next week. We're not gonna be playing preseason. I will be doing the trainings during preseason, but I'm not playing the games. Once we get into the regular season, that's when we'll play all of the games each week. It is on All Madden, so it will be a struggle for us, especially with where our team's at right now. But it is going to be a fun year. I mean, we're going to see these young guys come in and ball out for us, hopefully. Should probably go sign a 3rd string halfback in case some players get injured. But I think I'm going to start AJ Williams. Readjust that lineup real quick. Yeah, start AJ. Over here to defense. I mean, McBride probably gonna come in and be that guy. I might move over. Let's see what Baker's actually. He's outside linebacker. I might move him down to right end. Let this rookie play over that other guy. My bad, he was supposed to be left in. I mean, it's not good. Don't get me wrong, it's not good. But we could turn this into something really good. Let's go sign a free agent halfback. Is it Taylor Batty? Tyler Batty. Bring him in. I'm a big Mizzou guy, so I want to see those guys. I mean, even if they're not going to play a lot for us, I mean, I like to bring them on. All right, let's go to training camp. Target passing. Oh, just missed it. Dang, dude. Jesus. Go. Definitely not hitting bronze. This is not a drill I'm very good at. Nice. We hit this, we might get bronze. Nope. Try that one more time. Nice, got two of them. Oh, just missed it. Come on, we could really hit bronze here. That'd be great. Oh my god, of course, I'm a freaking idiot. We still hit bronze. Oh my gosh, dude, the power. This one's pretty simple. I mean, as long as you follow the block the correct way, it's touchdown every time. Even on all Madden, I mean, this is cake. Oh my god, Ed, as I say that. Always gotta celebrate when we can. Ooh! Him with that hurdle. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? Oh, fumbled the fucking ball. Again, fumble. Okay. We're done hurdling. I have learned my lesson. Yeah, dude. Earned a skill point, good. Not doing the rest of those. Let's see here. We should probably work on. He doesn't have the speed really to be an elusive back. I mean, it will help him out a little bit. Elusiveness, spin, juke move. I'll just keep building him as a power back. All right, let's into regular season. Season milestone of the year. I mean, we're gonna be lucky to get 5 wins, so commit to this goal. 4 wins. I mean, we're definitely in a rebuild year. See what the media has to say. Next question. Coach, fans are curious how you'll handle your rookie QB's development. The past teams have had tremendous success if rookie sits for a year. Yeah, I will be playing him. He's gonna probably play. Yes, I'm fucking sure. Great. Screw you too, lady. I just know it's the lady in the fucking yellow. I just know it's that lady in the yellow. Don't worry about the defense. Probably the run game. Um, 10 rushing touchdowns. I mean, that's not gonna be that bad. As long as he doesn't get injured, then yeah, definitely need a wide receiver, corner, offensive line. I mean, the rest of this stuff we can figure out, but definitely these. I'm gonna continue the scramble. No. It's either defend short or defend the run. Definitely not a good outside runner. A good inside runner. Here. Kind of want to run inside. Start training. Get a little player upgrade. The rest of this we can just let CPU upgrade. I mean, whatever's best for them. And starting in the next video going forward, we're going to be playing 2 games, a video. It's probably going to be the best for, you know, content wise. 2 games of video going forward. I mean, this first video was just off season, you know, getting us started, see what our team really needs. Let's see here. Route specialist. I like Luke McCaffrey getting in there every now and again. I like the way our team is starting out. Could definitely be a heck of a lot better. Do not know why Jason Young's not starting at right tackle. There we go. All right, going forward, like I said, 2 games of video. We're gonna be starting off playing the Patriots and the Texans in the next video. Definitely gonna be a hard season. Definitely a rebuild season. But yeah, if you guys want to see more content like this and want to see me keep uploading this weekly or daily even, I definitely will. Just let me know in the comments if you want to see this daily, and I will definitely do that. Awesome. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by, and again, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want to see me do, trade for somebody, anything like that, and I'll try and make it happen.